If you are someone who's ever felt destined for greatness, someone who knows they're meant to do something extraordinary, this simple law of attraction hack is your key to unlocking that potential. The hack is incredibly powerful, and it revolves around two simple words: I am. When you use these words with belief and intention, you instantly activate the law of attraction to bring your desires into your life. This isn't about hoping or waiting. It's about aligning your energy with the reality you want to create. Let's dive into this powerful practice that can change your life starting today. The phrase "I am" is a direct line to your subconscious mind, and it holds immense power in shaping your reality. These words are not just a tool for self-affirmation, they are a direct declaration of who you are. When you say "I am," you are affirming your identity and your current truth. But here's the secret: the more you say it with belief, the more it becomes your reality. I am. Statements are so powerful because they are tied to your sense of self. Your subconscious mind does not differentiate between what is real and what is imagined. So when you consistently affirm something with "I am," your mind starts to accept it as fact. For instance, when you say "I am wealthy," your mind begins to find ways to make that true for you because it sees wealth as part of who you are. These words also help you to shift your energy. The law of attraction is all about matching your energy to what you want to attract. Saying "I am" aligns your internal vibration with your desires, sending a clear signal to the universe that you're ready to receive. You're no longer waiting for things to change. You're claiming the change is already happening in your life. When you use "I am" affirmations, you are not just wishing for a better future, you are actively creating it. You're setting the stage for your reality to align with your desires by taking ownership of the change you want to see. There's more science to this than you might think. The effectiveness of "I am" affirmations lies in the way they engage with your brain and subconscious mind. Our brains are wired to respond to repetition and patterns. When you repeatedly say "I am" followed by your desired outcome, your brain begins to accept this as a new pattern of thought. This is based on the concept of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. By consciously choosing to repeat positive "I am" affirmations, you're literally rewiring your brain to believe in a new reality. The more you repeat these affirmations, the stronger these new neural pathways become, making it easier to think positively and act in alignment with your desires. On a deeper level, the words "I am" engage with your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is like a sponge, absorbing everything you think, feel, and experience. By affirming something with "I am," you are impressing that belief upon your subconscious, causing it to adopt that belief as a core truth. This is why affirmations are such a powerful tool for shifting your mindset and creating lasting change in your life. The science of the mind shows us that when you say "I am" with belief, the brain begins to act as if your desires have already been realized. This subconscious programming creates the perfect conditions for the law of attraction to work in your favor. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions all align, bringing your desires closer to reality. One of the reasons I am affirmations are so effective is because they don't just suggest that something could happen in the future, they affirm that it's already happening in the present. This shifts your mindset from one of lack or desire to one of fulfillment and abundance. When you say I am, you are declaring your identity in relation to your desires. For example, when you say I am abundant, you're not just wishing for money or success. You are claiming that abundance is part of who you are. This helps to solidify your belief in your own power to create the life you want. The more you repeat I am affirmations, the more they incorporate into your daily thoughts and behaviors. For instance, saying I am confident consistently will begin to change your thought patterns and the way you present yourself. Eventually, you start acting with the confidence that you've been affirming. This shift in behavior reinforces your belief in your affirmation and speeds up the manifestation process. I am statements are not just positive thinking. They're a powerful tool for shifting your energy to match what you want to attract. When you use these affirmations, your energy changes from a state of wanting to a state of already having. This is key to activating the law of attraction, as it responds to the energy you put out into the world. To make this hack work for you, you need to create a specific and powerful I am affirmation. Start by being clear about what you want to manifest. Whether it's love, wealth, health, or personal growth, being specific will help focus your intention. For example, instead of saying, I am successful, a more powerful affirmation would be, I am achieving my goals with ease and confidence. This affirmation gives you a clear vision of what success looks like and how it feels, making it easier for your mind to believe it. It's also essential to keep your affirmations positive. Avoid using negative language, like I am not poor or I am not sick. The subconscious mind doesn't understand negative. It only responds to positive statements. So always phrase your affirmations in a way that affirms what you want. Be sure to speak your affirmation with conviction. The energy behind your words is just as important as the words themselves. The more belief and emotion you put into your I am statements, the more powerful they will be. To fully harness the power of I am affirmations, they need to be a consistent part of your daily life. Start your day by repeating your affirmations as soon as you wake up. This sets the tone for your day and aligns your energy with your desires right from the start. You can also use your I am affirmations throughout the day, especially when you face challenges or moments of doubt. For example, if you're feeling overwhelmed or uncertain, say, I am calm and confident to shift your mindset instantly. The more you repeat your affirmations, the easier it becomes to shift your energy in any situation. Before going to bed, spend a few moments reflecting on your day and affirming your desires. This helps to reprogram your subconscious mind as you sleep, reinforcing the energy of your affirmations, even when you're not consciously aware of it. This daily routine will keep you aligned with your desires and help you stay on track toward manifesting them. The key is consistency. The more you incorporate I am into your daily routine, the quicker you will begin to see the shifts in your mindset, energy, and the manifestation of your desires. Visualization is a tool that can magnify the power of your I am affirmations. While saying your affirmation, close your eyes and imagine the reality you're creating. Visualize the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with your manifestation. For example, if you're affirming, I am abundant, picture yourself surrounded by abundance, money flowing, opportunities opening, and success coming easily to you. The key is to engage all your senses during this visualization. The more vividly you can see, hear, and feel your desired reality, the stronger the connection between your affirmation and your actual reality will be. This helps to solidify your belief and sends out an even stronger signal to the universe. Visualizing in conjunction with I am affirmations also helps your brain to accept the reality you're creating. The more real it feels to you, the faster you will begin to align your actions and energy to make it a reality. When you pair your affirmations with vivid imagery, you create a powerful mental blueprint that helps manifest your desires more quickly. As you begin using your I am affirmations, you might encounter resistance. Doubts, fears, or old thought patterns can arise, trying to hold you back. The key to success with this hack is letting go of resistance. Trust in the process and in the power of your affirmations. When doubts arise, acknowledge them and then replace them with your I am affirmation. For example, if you think, I can't do this, replace it with, I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. This shifts your energy and reinforces your belief in yourself. By letting go of resistance, you allow the law of attraction to work freely in your life. The more you trust in your affirmations, the faster you'll see results. The universe responds to your energy, so focus on the belief that what you desire is already on its way. Using I am is a simple yet incredibly powerful tool for manifesting your desires. By aligning your energy, reprogramming your mind, and taking consistent action, you can attract everything you've ever wanted. It's not just about saying words, it's about embodying the change you seek and believing that you already have what you desire. Consistency is key. The more you say I am with conviction, the more you will see your reality begin to shift. Keep your affirmations positive, specific, and aligned with your highest desires. Trust the process and watch as your dreams unfold before your eyes. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and guidance on manifesting your best life. You've got this.